They say that sometimes love starts with a spark, and that might be true. But if I were to wish you a love, I wouldn't wish fire for you. You see, fire is powerful. It burns bright, then it's gone. It's beautiful and warm, but it doesn't last long. So instead of wishing you a love that burns, I wish you love like a river that twists and turns. It changes and flows. It is powerful and free, that it consistently finds its way back to sea. And so, like the water, I hope your love is ever growing and ever changing. I hope your love is powerful and free, and may you always find each other like the river finds the sea.
You have filled my life with happiness and have given me a sense of peace that I didn't know existed. You understand me to my bones. In my new role as wife, I will spend my days making you feel so irrevocably and unconditionally loved by me, to build a foundation so strong that nothing ever feels scary. I'm so proud of this life we worked really hard for, and how exciting is it that our lifelong journey is just beginning.
There are things you do and say every day that make me so happy. Sometimes I tell you, and sometimes I just hold on to them. They're like little seeds I plant deep in my soul that grow and that'll never stop flowering. Today I give you all of me.
The colors of the rainbow, so